Good morning everyone! Welcome back po sa aking munting kusina para magluto ulit ng pananghalian. Ito po. Turmeric. Black pepper. Now this is food coloring, orange color. This is food color, so we have to put some black all over. Okay guys, this one I have to make like this para lahat ng spices pupunta sa loob, papasok, and the other side. That's it. Okay guys, we have ingredient here. We have this one, cloves, black pepper whole, cumin seeds, cardamom seeds, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, dry lemon, and long chili pepper. So now guys, let's put this one here. All of this here inside. And then we have to put 2 cups of water. And now let's put hot 2 cups boiling water. Let's put it in the corner. Then now let's cover with a max paper. Cover, and we have to cover with aluminum foil. Now we do like this. And we're gonna put that inside the preheated oven. Okay guys, let's put this one in the preheated oven. Let it cook for 1 hour and a half, and we put for 180 degrees Celsius and cover. That's it guys, see you later. Okay guys, now this rice I soak already with water for about 1 hour. So now I will put half tablespoon of salt to make a taste, because I will put this one there with the meat. I have to mix it good. Guys, it's already 1 hour and a half. I will put the chicken inside. I mean the rice inside. So now, let's remove this one. And let's put the water. Let's put the water, 3 cups of water. It's a boiled water I put. Then 2 cups of soaked rice. So we have to put here the rice. And then we have to put like this. And then put back the meat inside. And cover again. Guys, I need to put back this one in the oven to cook the rice. Guys, now it's already 30 minutes for the rice. Let's check if it's, I don't know if it's cooked or what. Yes, it's cooked. Guys, now it's cooked. So let's serve and eat. Okay guys, now it's ready to serve. Come on, let's eat lunch na. Everybody is hungry.